Drawing heavily from its 1960s microbus forebear, the ID Buzz features a retro-modern look with a friendly face. Brought to you by Berge Volkswagen, the ID Buzz has two-tone paint options, playful LED light animations, and sleek sliding side doors, complete with electric, easy open operation and virtual foot pedal activation. Built on VW's MEB platform with a rear-mounted electric motor, the rear-wheel drive version delivers around 282 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. An available dual-motor all-wheel drive model pushes that to 335 horsepower, rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6 seconds, and is governed at roughly 99 miles per hour. Seating up to 6 or 7 across 3 rows, the Buzz's spacious rear area boasts industry-leading legroom in the 3rd row. Second-row seats come in bench or captain chair setups, and the 3rd row folds or can be removed entirely to expand cargo space. The cabin feels airy and modern, with a panoramic glass roof pulling in lots of light. Front seats offer 12-way power adjustment, heating, ventilation, massage functions, and memory. A clever flex-board multi-purpose console and ambient lighting, 30 color options, round out the stylish, family-friendly setup. All models come with VW's IQ Drive Suite, travel assist, adaptive cruise and lane centering, front assist with pedestrian and cyclist detection, blind spot monitoring, rear traffic alert, light assist, park distance control, park assist, and emergency assist. The Buzz even earned a 5-star Euro NCAP rating. Rear sliding doors are operated via foot-oriented sensors and remote control. Multiple USB-C ports, a 115-volt outlet, 3-zone climate control, heated second-row seats, and remote climate preconditioning make it a breeze for families. A built-in BuzzBox center storage console adds cargo-friendly versatility. At the heart is a 12.9-inch touchscreen paired with a 5.3-inch digital driver display. Features include wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 9 or 13-speaker Harman Kardon audio system, wireless charging, voice assistant, over-the-air software updates, optional heads-up display, and a surround view camera with park assist. The 2025 ID Buzz revives VW's iconic bus with instant EV torque, nostalgic styling, slots for 6 or 7 people, and a tech-rich, family-focused interior. It offers a unique blend of design, space, and innovation, unlike any other EV on the market. You can view our selection at bergevw.com. Give us a call at 480-646-4858 or visit our showroom today.